Every year, about 4.5 billion beverage cartons are collected in Germany. Statistically, that's about 1.5 kilos per inhabitant. Paper factories use the high-quality cellulose fibers to make new products, such as corrugated cardboard, folding boxes, or pizza cartons. What remains is a mixture of various plastics and aluminium, which comes from the caps and coatings of the beverage carton. A large proportion of it has so far been used as fuel in cement factories. But there is another way. Since the beginning of 2021, the mixture has been used to produce marketable secondary raw materials near Cologne. 3 manufacturers, Tetra Pak, SIG Combi Block and Elopak, have invested around 8 million euros in the Palurec GmbH recycling plant. Managing Director Andreas Henn shows us what the mixture of materials that comes out of the paper mills looks like. The beverage cartons are first separated from their paper fiber in the paper mill. This has been done for decades. The paper then goes to high-quality recycling. What we're doing now is recycling the rest, that is, caps and the foil with the aluminium coating. We will now separate the aluminium from the foil here in this recycling plant and feed both into a high-quality recycling process. At the beginning, each of the bales weighing about 900 kilograms is shredded. The result is 50mm pieces that are freed from sand and the last remnants of paper fibers in this washing line. During the process, the aluminium is also removed from the films. In this so-called hydrocyclone, aluminium is separated from the washing water with the help of strong centrifugal and flow forces. A water vortex presses the aluminium particles against the wall of the hydrocyclone. From there they slide down and flow off. The plastics cleaned in the washing line go directly into the dryer, because in order to be able to separate hard plastics such as HDPE and PP from the soft LDPE, they must be as dry as possible. The plastic particles fall sideways from above into this zigzag sifter. At the bottom, a blower generates strong airflow. Whereas the light LDPE of the films is blown upwards, the heavier HDPE of the caps falls down over the inclined sheets and is collected in large bags. The separated LDPE now only needs to be shaped. To do this, it's first heated in the extruder and made into a viscous mass. It's then pushed through a round opening under pressure. After cooling, these plastic strands are formed into small grains. This is called granulating. Here we have reached the end of our recycling plant. Behind me you see the big bags in which the granulate but also our cap fraction are packed. The granulate usually goes into injection molding applications like boxes. The caps are reprocessed and then also go into injection molding applications for pipes and boxes. In the case of aluminium, we're currently still working intensively with our recycling partners to be able to repurpose the material into new products here as well. Beverage cartons have long been among the most climate-friendly packaging on the market due to their high proportion of renewable raw materials. With the Palurec plant, the 3 manufacturers Elopak, SIG Combi Block and Tetra Pak have succeeded in increasing the recyclability of their packaging to well over 90%. This saves valuable resources and further improves the ecological footprint of the beverage carton.